again, spring comes and flower rain falls. The beginning of spring, the gap where longing grows. Once again, spring comes and flower rain falls. I stop on the road where you once stood. I call out to you in the gentle breeze, but only the silent time scatters away. The smile of yours I thought I'd forgotten quietly blooms in the sunlight. The scent of you that lingers deep in my heart soaks me like a spring rain. Echoes of memory, a trembling heart at the edge of the season we once walked together. The gaze I couldn't forget shines clearly. The reason for these tears that have unknowingly fallen, it must be because I still love you. Your touch brushing over petals comes to me like a dream wrapping me. Even the trembling of the moments we met shakes me once again like spring. Oh, heart that cannot let go. I thought those days had passed, but what's blooming again is your trace. Even though I try to forget, it won't fade. Your name fills my every day. Oh, like this flower rain scattering, my heart scatters too. On spring days, walking along your shadow, at the end, there is still only you. New spring love that never ends. Once again, spring comes and flower rain falls. Even as time flows, it brings you back. In the season called longing, I am still waiting for you. On the day we meet again someday, I hope this song will reach you, just like this moment when flower rain falls. May our love bloom again in the season